Welcome to this guided meditation. Find yourself a comfortable seat where you can avoid disturbance and distraction from people and technology. Let your spine grow tall. Allow your shoulders and hands to rest easily. Close your eyes and take a moment to scan through your body. Turn your full awareness to the body and to this present moment, letting go of any pressure to be anywhere else. Settling into this time and space, noticing whatever comes into your experience. And just noticing where the mind is in this moment. From time to time, your mind will wander off. Don't worry when this happens. Know that being distracted is completely normal and allows us the opportunity to bring back our focus each time, strengthening our awareness. Now relaxing the mind, noticing how you feel right now in this moment. Nothing else to do, just being in the moment. And gently now, coming back to the room. Bringing your attention back to the space around you. Noticing the pressure of the body resting on the ground or chair beneath you. Gently moving your hands and feet. And whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes. I hope you found this meditation helpful and enjoyable. If so, click the thumbs up and share it with friends or family that might find it helpful too, and subscribe for new meditations every week. May your practice leave some residue of calm and mindfulness in the rest of your day.